Hey guys, Tomlos TJ here, and today I'm back with Scratch, YouTube Scratch Dodgeball. The first thing I'm gonna do is actually take away this zebra. So if you right click delete, because I just wanna, have one zebra active for the moment. And today I'm going to incorporate how to sort of have active events, and maybe if we have enough time, move on to sort of like variables. Okay, so first things first, we have saying here, let's clean that up, right click clean up. If touching sprite 2, stop all, but now we want to get rid of that, and where is it, broadcast something, so you can broadcast a message saying level 2. Now once you've activated broadcast, you see here it says when I receive. You can move that on. So when I receive level 2, it's like when green flag clicked, except for when the moment level 2 is broadcast, that happens basically. So when I receive level 2, I don't know, maybe wait a second or maybe something, so it doesn't immediately go into action. And then what we're going to do is we're going to right click duplicate the sprite, and instead of here, you can see it keeps all the sort of same commands. Instead of that, we're going to take away the when green flag clicked and replace it with when I receive level 2. So that means, watch, when, oops, okay, wait, so both the balls are moving, but as you can see, the second ball only starts moving after the first one has made contact with the zebra. Right, now if we want to make it so it seems like there is a level 2, what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to say when I receive when green flag clicked, hide, and when they receive level 2, show. So it's going to be hidden and then it's going to come out. The only problem is though, first of all, I think the zebra is a bit slow, so we might make it a bit quicker, maybe 25, and 25, so it's constant motion. And using this tool up here, select it, click the sprite, every click makes it a bit smaller. We're going to make it a bit smaller. So now see I'm sort of running away from the basketball, and the moment the basketball hits, the second ball appears. But at the moment there is no end to the game. What we're going to do is we're going to make it so every time you get hit by one, it broadcasts, let's say level 2 for instance, and you go back to the start of level 2. But first, let's create a second stage. So copy is easiest, then you click edit, clear. So now we'll start with a completely blank plane to work on. So click import, let's do something to do with sports. We can do tennis backboard, whatever it's called, there. So that's gonna be our new terrain, and we are going to also go back, actually no, click cancel there. We're gonna add some cool stuff to the terrain to make it look better. So for instance, we can start off by creating a lake in the middle, maybe. So with the line tool I can do that. Then use this tool and the fill tool and fill it in, and click that to zoom in, and we're going to move on and then scroll down, or not, I don't know if you can scroll actually in. Then with the paint tool, make the brush size a bit bigger. You can fill in all those gaps. Right, so now zoom out, make it a bit smoother with a larger brush, so it's not sort of jagged. Then with the paint tool as well, actually we can use a smaller brush size, obviously. Create some plants on the edge of the lake. And there we have it. That is going to be our second terrain. So now for the scripts. When that clicks, we want, not motion, sorry. We want to switch to background 1, which is our first background. But when the game receives level 2, we want to switch to background 2. Okay, so playing the game. Oh, we get hit. Now we're on level 2. But for a brief pause, we're going to add a third background, which is basically going to be text saying level 2. Make that a bit bigger because we want it to fill most of the page. There we go. Then click the fill tool. Let's have green fill. Oh, grey. Sorry, whatever. Grey, green. So that's going to be our level 2. So when the game receives level 2, you want to switch to background 3. Wait 1 second before switching to background 2. So now we're gonna have to make the zebra have a start place eventually. So I'm gonna deliberately get hit and switch to level 2, and then it goes in. But we don't want these basketballs in the zebra seen during level 2. So how are we gonna do that? Well, first of all, I'm going to say the zebra is gonna start off here. So go to, let's keep that there just for the record. This ball is going to start up there. So if you switch it, the go to, the numbers automatically move to the coordinates of the actual ball. Now this ball is going to start up there. So keep that logged in. Right, now, rather than saying when I receive level 2, wait 1 second, what we're going to do is we're going to say hide. Right? When I receive level 2, hide. And we're also going to not do that. We're going to have when that clicks show. So when I receive level 2, they're all going to hide. They're all going to wait a second while hidden. And then they're going to show. But before they show, they're going to go to their respective locations which I've assigned them. So if we duplicate that, get rid of the show, that's going to affect. So if you drag a piece of coding onto another sprite, you can see the outline, the sort of grayish outline, that coding will automatically go to it. So you see here, all we have to do now is switch out the 2 coordinates, and we should be set to go. Get the when green flag clicked. Oops, sorry, I don't want to show that. Get rid of the show, stick that in there, and there we have it. Now finally for this one, when I receive level 2, we want to get rid of that. When I receive level 2, we want it to hide. Wait a second, go to those coordinates here, show. Cool. So now let's clean up a bit, and we have our coding, which is good. So let's play the game. I don't know how that looks on the recording, so I'm just gonna play like this. I think that might be easier. So green flag, right? Running away from the ball. Oh, we got hit. Level 2. Oh, now level 2 starting. Now clearly there's still a glitch where every time I get hit by the first ball, it goes to level 2. So we're gonna have to fix that. Now, here is where variables come in. Very, very useful. So let's make a variable called level 1. Now we clearly start off with a set of sort of different commands. Now when that clicks, actually let's do it on the background. Let's do all sort of the general stuff in the background. When that clicks, we want to set level 1 to 1. Actually, let's change the name. Let's change the name to level. Let's make a variable called level. Hide level 1. We don't want that anymore. And set level to 1. Right. So now we have a variable, and that's gonna stay up there. So if I click the green flag, level 1. Now, if we go to when I receive level 2, we're going to set level to 2, right? So let's just go through this. So we get hit, level 2. Now, in terms of getting hit, we're going to have to add in an if command. So put the if in. Now here operators, some of them are really confusing. Not even I know what they are. Like this one, no clue. But these are the simple ones. So equals. So when something equals something. So we take level. So and we're gonna say 1. So when level is 1, and we have to put that in there. Sorry, in the wrong sprite. Let's take that. If level equals 1, or should we say forever? Yeah, let's just do forever just to be safe, because I'm not really sure. So let's say forever if level equals 1. So if level is 1, if it touches sprite 2, it's going to broadcast level 2. Now, if we change level to 2, and we do stop all, touching sprite 2, then if it touches sprite 2 when it's level 2, the game's going to end. But again, we've added another sprite. So, use another operator, or, which is basically saying, touching sprite 2 or touching sprite 3, which means if it touches either sprite 3 or sprite 2, it will stop the script when the level is 2. So now we can test out this new game. So it's level 1. Oh, I get hit. It's level 2. You see, now we've encountered a glitch. Let's see if we can... I want to see if I can find out what the glitch is, actually. Okay. Maybe... forever if level equals 2. Level is 1. Forever if touches... okay, I see. So, we can't do a forever if for touching sprite, because what the game's basically saying is it's always gonna be broadcasting level 2 constantly, over and over and over again, which we don't really want, because yeah. So if, so you slot that in. Right, now let's try it. So we get hit. Right, good. Now the ball's coming around and everything seems to have stopped. Great, so the game works. All we have to do now is add in, let's say, actually no, let's not change it to say hello. Let's just leave it. So you lose. And that's just sort of a basic tutorial on operators, variables, decided to do, and broadcasting. Hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, watch out for the next sprite tutorial. Thanks for watching.